Hey you guys, I'm here today to show you how to load your low profile vehicle onto this U-Haul tow dolly utilizing 2x8 lumber. Before we get started loading our vehicle using 2x8s, let's make sure we're hooked up properly. Engage your park brake. Now that I verified I have a good hookup, my park brake's set, and let's pull out our tire straps and get our ramps out. Let's go ahead and get this vehicle loaded. But first things first, we need to make sure we're communicating with the driver of the car and we're really watching that front fascia so it doesn't hit the ramp, and always stand to the side. Stop. So to fix my approach angle, I went to one of those big box retail stores. I picked up a 2x8 and I had them cut it into 12-inch sections, so I got 8 pieces. I'm going to take 3 of my 12-inch sections of my 2x8 lumber and set them underneath the ramps. Now I'm going to repeat that on the other side as well. All right, we have one more possible clearance issue. We need to make sure we have 6 inches of room from the front fascia to the ground. So if you don't have 6 inches of clearance, we're going to need to take a 2x8 piece of lumber and put it in this bucket so we don't damage our front fascia on the bump stop. Now that we have addressed all of our clearance issues, let's go ahead and load this car. You're still going to need an observer and take it slow. Now that we have the vehicle loaded on our tow dolly, let's go ahead and put our tire straps on. Center your ratchet to the center of your tire before strapping down. I'm going to repeat that on the other side as well. Let's go ahead and install our security chains. We're going to want to avoid any fuel lines, brake system, or any electrical. I'm going to go ahead and install them on my A-arm, leaving myself about 7 inches of slack. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. Before we get going, let's secure our steering wheel with our seat belt. Okay, let's go ahead and scoot the driver's seat back to tighten the seat belt. You're going to want to keep this lumber somewhere close. You're going to need it when unloading. I'm going to put it in the back seat. All right, let's go ahead and hit the road. I'm going to go ahead and check my straps and security chains in about a mile down the road just to make sure everything's still taut. After that, I'm going to check it in about 50 miles. And every time after that, when I'm getting gas or taking a break, I'm going to go ahead and check everything just to make sure it's still secure. Have safe travels.